Hello. This web series tutorial will teach you how to use the Village of Cumberland's iMAP GIS Viewer. In this tutorial, we will go over how to access the iMAP GIS Viewer, the iMAP disclaimer, basic iMAP navigation and tools, viewing map layers including zoning designation, OCP designation, and identification of development permit areas, and how to find individual parcel information. To access the iMAP GIS Viewer, open your preferred web browser and navigate to cumberland.ca/maps. Then, click the iMAP Viewer GIS hyperlink. The iMAP will open in your browser window. Please carefully read the terms and conditions and click I agree to continue to the GIS map. You can search your property address in the search bar on the top left-hand side of the map. We'll use a village office address as an example. We recommend typing in the street address number, then all addresses with that number will appear in a drop-down list. From here, you can click your desired property address. Once you locate your property, you can open the base map gallery located in the top right-hand side of the map. From here, you can select the appropriate air photos. You can also open the layers list and view the available map layers. You can use the zoom function on the top left-hand side of the map to zoom into your subject property. You can also use the measure tool to measure approximate distances. Or use the area measure tool to calculate the approximate land area. Double-click to complete your selection. You may also use the Google Street View tool to view your subject property from the street. To do so, click and drag the Street View icon to your desired area on the map. Then, click and drag with your mouse to navigate. You may view all the various map layers by expanding each layer under the layers list. To see a property's zoning information, select the zoning layer, then click your desired property on the map. The same can be done with the OCP layer to view heritage conservation areas, historic village commercial core, and future land use designations. Development Permit Area, or DPA, information can be found under the DPA layers. You can also explore other layers such as environment and water management. In order to find individual parcel information, type the property address into the search bar. You will be able to view all the property information in the pop-up box, including the PID and registered plan numbers. Select a layer from the layers list, then click the layer on the map to highlight it. Click More Info in the pop-up box to be directed to the applicable village policy or regulation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this web tutorial.